Hey, it's Ray here, and today I want to tell you about a new product from our good friend Gene Kalenda called Law Firm Leverage. And what this product does is it allows businesses just like yours to start working with law firms, providing them with microservices like social media marketing. In fact, this product comes with 180 social media posts, and that's the graphics and the text, for DUI lawyers and criminal defense lawyers, which is right up my alley. In fact, I'm working with one right now on this exact thing, so this is absolutely perfect at this point in time. I also want to throw out there, just so you know, we'll get to bonuses later, but my bonus does include 60 more social media posts and graphics for lawyers as well that you can use with any kind of lawyer. And in fact, in this particular program, the upsell to this gives you even more types of lawyers that you can get posts for, so you can start doing all of the work for a variety of different law firms. But also in this, you get training on how to work with lawyers. You get the, let me see here, I want to make sure I get all this right in here, the lead generation hacks for marketers and attorneys. You get effective outreach emails for attorneys. So that, in other words, when you start to target some of these attorneys that you want to work with, all those emails are already there for you to use to be able to get their attention. You've got phone scripts. You've got onboarding forms. You've got the contracts that you need. You've got content for articles. I mean, just a ton of different things. You've got the ads already pre-built. If you're going to run things like Facebook ads, all of that is in this package. In fact, what I want to do right now is I want to take you inside the package and kind of show you exactly what's included. So let's do that right now. Okay, so here we are on the inside of the product here. And you can see at the top here, there's a getting started video. So be sure to watch that just to learn more about the product itself. And then down here, you're going to start to see all of the really cool things. Now, first of all, at the very top here, you'll see that they've got the bonus here, which is content marketing for legal services. So be sure to check that out. But right here, 180 criminal defense attorney images, editable files, and comment sheet. So what this means is you've got everything in here. So first and foremost, the actual posts that you would do, and I'll show you those in a second here. So these are the actual images. If we click on here, it's going to just give us a download, but I'll show you those in just a second so you can see them. It's got the editable files as well. So what this means is that you will get the actual documents that you can then go in and edit to change anything that you want to change in there. If you want to swap out a picture, if you want to add your logo, whatever you want to do, you'll get the actual editable files. And then the comment sheet is exactly what it sounds like. In fact, we can click on this. It's just a Google Doc. And you'll see it's got all the comments for each one. So as you go through here, each one of these is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to the end here, and 180. And that's going to allow you to put the not only the image, but the text that goes with that as well as you post these, which is very, very useful. In fact, it makes life so much quicker. Now we have the same exact thing here for defense attorneys, okay, or for DUI defense attorneys rather. And down here, you've got all of your agreements and forms. So you've got a service agreement, a non-disclosure agreement, performance report, payment agreement, marketing strategy agreement, confidentiality agreement, termination agreement, governing law agreement, entire agreement clause, proposal and quotation form, compliance acknowledgement, feedback and revision form, consultation agreement, client referral agreement, and marketing collateral approval form. So again, you know, you're dealing with lawyers, so I guess you have to have all those great things for them as well. Make sure that they're legal, right? Client onboarding form. So this is the intake form. You've got your marketing goals questionnaire, branding and messaging guide, content marketing materials, inventory, client referral process agreement, and the goals and objectives alignment worksheet. And down here, you've got business cards. So this is a template for that. You've got the template for the Facebook ads. You've got postcards. You've got social covers. So this would be what you use, you know, at the top of your Facebook page and whatnot. Down here, effective outreach emails for the attorneys. So introduction, the education, personalized approach, success stories, follow-up sequence, event and webinar information. So all of that stuff, or invitation rather, all of that is in here so that you want to start using these and send out to the lawyers to start bringing them in as clients. That's going to give you everything that you need for doing that. Down here, you've got your phone script. So the initial outreach, the follow-up call, scheduling a consultation, referral conversations, and then the post-event follow-up if they're doing some sort of event with you. Facebook group access, so they're going to get you access to their Facebook group, which is also very useful. And the lead generation hacks for marketers and attorneys. And then down here, you've got all these articles that you can use. This is great for if you want to do content marketing for a website that you build. This will help you to drive that with all this different content in here. PLR articles specifically for DUI attorneys. Okay. And then the microservices training for attorneys. So microservices being, if you're going to provide the social media services, that's what Gene calls a microservice. So you would do these little services. Now, granted, that's a monthly thing, so you're getting paid every month, but it's a small service. And what she usually likes to talk about with that is you're providing a simple automated service, collecting a monthly check, and you're making money, and you can scale this because it's all automated. So it's a nice microservice. And then state websites for new attorney businesses. And what that means is you'll be able to reach out to people who have just passed the bar or just starting as an attorney. You can actually do marketing for them and find those new businesses. So all of that is in here. And let's take a look at what these graphics look like so you can kind of see. So I've already started to implement these into my stuff here. So I've got in my documents folder, I've got this social media folder in here. And this is, well, most of it's Gene stuff. There are some other things in here too, but you can see like all these different types of businesses in here. Here's the DUI lawyer one. Okay. So these are the graphics that you get in there. Okay. So you can see just the tips for hiring a good attorney, a DUI attorney in this case. Okay. So all these graphics are in here. And you'll be able to post out 180 times with these. Now, of course, when you're doing this, please understand when you're posting to like Facebook or whatever, you can recycle these because no matter how big your Facebook page is, you're only going to hit a percentage of those the first time you post these. So after 180 posts, and not necessarily 180 days, because you don't necessarily need to do it every single day, but if you're doing a couple of these a week after you do 180 posts, you can start to recycle them again, and that would be fine. The other one is for the criminal defense lawyer, which is right here. And it's basically the same type of stuff in here. So all these graphics. And they match with the text that we pulled up earlier. Things you may not know about criminal defense attorneys. And this will just allow you to post a ton of stuff. Now, the great thing that I love what Gene did here with this is the fact that she's got criminal law and DUI lawyer, because chances are that's the same guy, the same company, the same law firm. And that means that you now have double the amount that you can post for that particular law firm. And that's really, really useful because most DUI lawyers do traditional criminal defense as well, and vice versa. Now, there are some that really specialize, but for the most part, they do both of these things. And so these can work together really well for whichever attorneys you happen to be working with. So that is the entire package with all the graphics and everything else that is included in here. And I really do believe this is a tremendous deal for anybody looking to pick up a lawyer client. All right, so there you go. That is Law Firm Leverage. As you can see, a ton of awesome stuff that can help you to start getting those lawyer clients and getting them to pay you every single month for some of these small services like doing social media. Now, along with all that, we have put together a great bonus package. Now, I already talked about we have 60 more social media posts that can be used with any type of lawyer because they are very generic law firm posts, so you can use them, whether it's a DUI attorney or an immigration attorney, it'll all work for any of those different attorneys that you might happen to run across. We also have our lawyer marketing videos that we've created, our instant spokesperson ones, which are full video with an actual spokesperson talking about different types of law and selling to their clients. So you'd be able to take those videos, put your client's logo and information on them, and boom, they've got a marketing video that they can put out there and use for social media and YouTube, etc. Speaking of YouTube, we also have a bonus that teaches you how to set up a local YouTube channel for a local business. We also have deal closing secrets to help you to close any deals that you get. And we have our stock library of videos and sound effects and backgrounds and music so that you can start to make all sorts of different content. And we even have a training for Canva. So if you have some of those graphics and you need to edit those, you can do that right inside of Canva and learn all about that. So that's everything that we've included with this. This is a tremendous opportunity for you to be able to start working with these lawyers as fast as today, because you've got everything you need, including the emails to reach out to them, including the documents when you sign them up. So all you have to do is click the link down below, and that will get you into the product right now. If you have any questions, of course, reach out. I'll be glad to answer them for you, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
The sun shines bright as it moves across my face. I feel the light and everything is in its place. Oh, I woke up feeling great. Today was made for me.